All right, and we're back. Today's video is going to be another quick unboxing. Two different things come in for the Sport Glide. So number one is going to be this one. This should be the adapters necessary to run the new wider foot pegs, I guess, for the rear of the bike. And there you go. Yep, that's what we got. So these, get the damn bag open here, we'll be in business. Wow. Pain in the butt. There we go. Okay. So you see how much wider they are than a standard foot peg. So what happens is the same thread, we'll take the Allen head, remove the old adapter mount off of the mini footboards, and then this goes on in its place. So once we have that, you know, obviously I'll do a how-to and show you guys how it's done. But it's just a simple swap out. So I'll clean them up real good before we put them on. And they're not too bad now, but you know, I like to scrub them down a little bit just to clean them, and then we'll switch everything over. So these were, again, another Amazon deal. I want to say I paid $33 for the adapters. The Kuryakin brand are like 40 bucks, $43 for the same thing. So I went with the aftermarket, obviously. As like I said, they're made, I'm sure they're made on the same assembly line. All right, and package number 2, I ordered, let's see if I can get this open here. All right, it's right here. Get this opened up. This is, come on. All right, Allen keys. Yep, very good. And we got here foot peg. As you can see, it's very similar to the Harley one. The only thing missing is the Harley emblem. So weight is correct for the Harley brand because I actually have a set of these in Harley brand. So again, I'm assuming they're made on the same line as the Harley ones because everything's freaking made in China and Indonesia and places like that these days. All right, let's see. Next. Yep, same thing. They had the adjustment on the end. And there's another one. So, very nice. Chrome is nice on them. And then we have this right here. And there you go. So what they are is they are long highway peg adapters. And that's what they are. And I got them off of Amazon for $49, I believe I paid for them. So they look exactly the same as my genuine OEM Harley brand that I picked up for my Street Glide. So these look pretty good, and we'll see. We'll get them mounted and we'll see what we got. I'll compare them when I do go out to the garage to mount them. I will do a comparison to show you guys how they look as compared to the OEMs. So, and then we'll go from there. But hopefully we get a warm enough day I can go out in my garage and work, because I'm going to tell you what, it's cold out again today. Right now it's probably mid to upper 40s right now, if that here. Very chilly today. Only supposed to be 55 for a high tomorrow. So maybe by the end of next week we're going to get back into the 60s is what they're claiming. So, and again, I will post links to where I picked these up, that and the mounts too. I'll post the links when once I do the install video. I usually post the links to where I bought them, who I bought them from on Amazon, and then we'll go from there. And of course, I'll give you my honest opinion on them. So, all right, well, once again, thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and please make a comment. Again, the comments help me immensely with YouTube's analytics program. So even if you say thank you, or hey, that sucks, it's not that good, anything you say, I'm not going to take it off. I don't have thin skin, as I've said before. So, all right, I'll see you guys in the next video.